Good day, everyone. So for today's video, we're going to subtract integers or get the difference of integers. Okay, so napaka-importante sa pag-subtract ng integers or sa pagkuha ng difference ng integers na alam natin kung paano mag-add, kunin yung sum ng integers. Okay, so kumbaga yung addition of integers ay prerequisite para maintindihan natin yung procedure ng pag-subtract ng integers. So, kaya kung hindi nyo pa napapanood or hindi nyo pa alam kung paano mag-add ng integers, you can click the link sa ating description box and dadalhin niya kayo doon sa ating video kung paano mag-add, paano kunin yung sum ng integers. Okay? So, paano nga ba i-subtract or paano kunin yung difference ng integers? Okay? So, let's have an example. So, like for example, we have 9 minus 7. So, mahalaga na bago tayo mag-subtract or kunin yung difference ng integers ay alam natin kung may same sign ba or different sign ang meron sa ating given, okay, or sa ating problem. So dito, ang ating case, ang ating example ay with same sign. Okay, so parehas sila ng sign kasi parehas po silang positive numbers. So like we have 9, so ang kanyang sign po ay positive since wala naman tayong nakalagay po dyan na sign. And also the 7 is also a positive number. Okay, so parehas po silang positive number. We are dealing or we are encountering or subtracting integers na kung saan ay merong same sign. Parehas po ang kanilang sign since sila po ay parehas na positive number or positive integers. And this sign is the operation which is the subtraction. So paano natin i-subtract yung integers kapag same po ang kanilang sign? So you can use the acronym CCI. Okay? So, ano po ang ibig sabihin ng CCI? So, C stands for copy. So, meaning you're going to copy the first integer. Okay? So, here, 9 minus 7, the first integer is 9. Okay? And then after nun, another C stands for change. Okay? It means change the operation subtraction into addition. Okay? So, kung minus to, change natin siya into addition. That is the meaning of the second C natin. And for the last letter, we have I. It means inverse. So, pag sinabing inverse, kabaliktaran nung number na yon. So, if we have here 7, ano ba yung inverse ni 7 or kabaliktaran ni 7? So, ang kabaliktaran po ng 7 is a negative 7. So, any number, any positive number, ang kabaliktaran po nila or ang inverse po nila is the negative number. And all the negative numbers, ang kabaliktaran nila or ang inverse nila is lahat ng positive numbers. Okay? That is C, CI. Again, C stands for copy, the first integer. Another C stands for change the operation into addition. And I means inverse. Okay? Get the inverse or kabaliktaran nung ating pangalawang integer. Okay? And then after nun, as you can see, addition na po yung operation dito. That's why we're going to apply yung procedure ng pag-add ng integers para makuha natin yung difference. Okay? So, kaya mahalaga na napanood natin or alam natin kung paanong mag-add, kunin yung sum ng integers. Okay? So, here, we are adding integers na kung saan ay magkaiba ang sign kasi ito ay positive 9, ito ay negative 7. Okay? So, una laging gagawin kapag mag-add ng integers is get the absolute value. The absolute value of 9 is still 9. The absolute value of negative 7 is 7. Okay? Again, base po yan sa ating discussion doon sa addition of integers. Okay? And then since we are dealing or adding integers na kung saan ay magkaiba ang sign, so ang gagawin natin is we're going to subtract. So 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Now, what will be the sign? Balikan natin yung original natin which is 9 plus negative 7. Check natin. Okay, since magkaiba sila ng sign, check natin sino ang may mas mataas na value, si 9 ba or si 7. So, si 9 po ang may mas mataas na value. That's why kung anong sign ni 9, yun po ang magiging sign ng ating final answer. So, since ang sign po ni 9 is positive, so our final answer will be also a positive. So, we have the answer 9 minus 7, we have positive 2. Another example, we have negative 3 minus negative 5. So again, it is an integer na kung saan ay parehas po sila ng sign kasi we have sign dito na negative 3 and meron din tayong negative here which is negative 5. So parehas po ang kanilang sign. Follow lang yung procedure natin or yung acronym na CI. So yung first I, it means na copy the first integer which is negative 3. Pangalawang C, it means copy or change, sorry. Change the operation into addition. And then inverse, meaning kabaliktaran ni negative 5. Ano bang kabaliktaran niya? Any inverse, okay? Ang inverse po ng mga negative number is a positive number. Ayan. And then here, since the operation now is addition, so we can now apply the procedure on how to add integers. So we have to get the absolute value of negative 3 as 3, the absolute value of 5 as 5, and since we are adding integers na kung saan ay iba ang sign, magkaiba ang sign, so we need to subtract. Okay? So una nyo pong isubtract yung mas mataas na number, which is 5 minus 3. So we have here 5 minus 3 is 2. What will be the sign? Check natin yung ating given here or yung ating original. We have negative 3 and positive 5. Sino ang mas mataas na number? Okay, 5 po ang mas mataas. So, we will follow the sign ni 5 since po siya ang mas mataas na number. So, we have positive 2 will the answer or the final answer. Next, how about number 3 example, 6 minus negative 4? Okay, so as you can see, yung 1 and 2 ay parehas po ang kanilang sign or magkatulad ang kanilang sign. So, follow nyo lang yung CCI. So, sa number 3, as you can see, magkaiba po yung kanilang sign. Okay, magkaiba po yung kanilang sign. So, still, same pa rin po ang gagawin natin. So, follow lang yung acronym na CI. Okay? So again, kahit magkatulad ang sign ng ating integers or magkaiba ang sign ng ating integers na sinusubtract, follow lang natin yung acronym natin na method which is CI. Okay? Again, C stands for copy the first integer which is 6. Yung pangalawang C, it means change the operation into addition. And then I, it means inverse. Get the inverse of negative 4. The inverse of negative 4 or kabaliktaran ni negative 4 ay positive 4. Okay? And now here, the operation is addition. So you're going to apply kung paano tayong mag-add ng integers. Okay? Again, get the absolute value of 6. 6 is still. And absolute value of 4 is 4. And as you can see, we are adding integers na kung saan ay same sign. Kasi parehas po silang positive 6, positive din yung kabila which is positive 4. So we need to add. And then we have 6 plus 4 is 10. Okay, what will be the sign? Negative ba or positive? Balikan natin yung ating original number. Pareha silang positive number or positive sign. That's why yung ating final answer is also a positive. For the last example, we have negative 2 minus 4 is still same. Magkaiba po, di ba? Different sign po tayo. Yung isa ay negative and yung isa naman ay positive, which is positive 4. So, follow lang yung procedure na CI. So, copy the first integer, negative 2. Another C, meaning change the operation into addition. And then inverse, meaning kunin natin yung kabaliktaran ni 4, positive 4. And ang inverse po, or kabaliktaran ni positive 4, ay negative 4. And then after nun, apply natin yung procedure ng adding integers. So, get the absolute value of negative 2. We have positive 2. Absolute value of negative 4 is 4. Again, we are adding integers na kung saan ay parehas ang sign kasi parehas silang negative. So, you're going to add the absolute value. So, we have 2 plus 4, we have 6. What will be the sign of the final answer? Balikan nyo lang yung ating original number. Parehas po silang negative ang sign. That's why yung ating final answer din ay negative din ang sign. And that will be the final answer. We have negative 6. And now it's your turn. What is the difference of negative 8 minus negative 5? Okay, so you can comment down below your answer. And if nakatulong itong video na to sa inyo, please like, share, and subscribe.